Putrajaya ni banyak event sebenarnya. Okay, kalau you tengok ada macam New Year kan, dia akan ada buat fireworks. Okay, baru-baru ni pun ada buat pertandingan bunga api semua. Okay, event tu semua tak ada masalah lah. Okay, semua bagus. Dan penduduk Putrajaya pun sangat suka lah bila ada event-event macam ni kan.
So far entertainment dekat Putrajaya ni I think it's more than enough lah, okay. Macam yang penting bagi saya ada wayang, ada macam shopping mall macam tu dah terlebih cukup. Sebab saya ni jenis yang orang yang saya tak minat sangat macam bising-bising gitu. So saya lagi prefer a quiet life lah senang cerita. Lagipun Putrajaya ni macam kira garden city kan. So dia kena macam, saya sukalah keadaan yang aman dan tenang pada waktu malam semua.
On my own personal humble opinion, I think that I prefer the quietness. I prefer the quietness. Tapi I'm not saying this on behalf of everyone, everyone in Putrajaya, but as a personal preference, I think I prefer to the quiet place.
Current Putrajaya, the entertainment is good enough for me as you have good facilities, like you have swimming pools, public swimming pools, you have a gym, you can go for kayaking, you can go rowing. There's a lot of entertainments that's not in the form of clubs or anything. So to me, entertainment in Putrajaya is enough for now.
Bagi saya hiburan dekat Putrajaya ni bagi saya dah cukup lah sebenarnya, sebab bagi saya tak perlu banyak sangat hiburan supaya kita lebih macam tak terleka sangat dengan hiburan lah. Kita boleh fokus more on the lain lah.
I don't really mind sebenarnya kalau ada, but I just hope that nanti bila ada macam, let's say for example Hard Rock ada semua kan, kita harap semua macam jalan dengan lancar lah. Tak ada macam orang kata, tak ada macam bising-bising sangat, tak ada macam itulah, macam senang cerita biar macam entertainment tapi in a moderate way.
Kalau ada proper control, kalau ada proper this and that, I think even kalau ada liquor pun kat situ, ataupun kalau ada benda-benda yang tak halal kat situ, ada benda yang haram kat situ, I think it should be based on apa yang kerajaan kata lah. I mean, it should be based on apa yang diluluskan lah. I mean, if Hard Rock Cafe tu ada ke, Hard Rock Cafe tu tak ada ke, I mean, me as a Muslim, I wouldn't prefer to be in that kind of environment, I think.
Kalau bagi saya nak establish Hard Rock dekat Putrajaya ni, bagi saya boleh, tapi pihak kerajaan perlu lebih berhati-hati terhadap unsur-unsur yang berbahaya, something like drugs or liquor maybe. So kalau pihak kerajaan boleh tangani itu, saya rasa patut diadakan Hard Rock Cafe kat sini.
Pasal Hard Rock Cafe tu, sebenarnya bagi saya lah, tak patut ada dekat Putrajaya ni. Sebab jika lihat di Kuala Lumpur pun, entertainment dia untuk orang yang berada di Putrajaya ni macam sepatutnya tak perlu ada lah di Putrajaya. Okay. Sebab Putrajaya ni ada 90%, 90% ada orang Melayu. Dan Hard Rock Cafe ada juga menghidangkan benda-benda yang non halal kan. So saya rasa tak perlu ada lah kot.
Firstly, I'm a fan of Hard Rock Cafe actually, because I like that type of entertainment, specifically like a bar lounge type of entertainment where you sit down, relax with your friends and listen to music. That's cool. Okay, but I think what most of us here would oppose of establishing a Hard Rock Cafe here is just the fact that it serves liquor. Because Putrajaya is a place where I think about 80 to 90% of the residents here are Muslims, and you cannot have access to liquor that easily here in Putrajaya. To me, there's nothing wrong with the music. There's nothing wrong with the music, the entertainment, the feel the mood with your friends. There's nothing wrong with that. But I think what I would just oppose around here is the part where they serve liquor. I think that is all, because over here we're not used to that type of entertainment. I mean, where it serves liquor and everything. So I think it's not suitable to be established here.